Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious black beans from a can. This simple method ensures a flavorful side dish or ingredient for any meal. First, grab a can of black beans and a fine mesh sieve. Rinsing is a crucial step, as it washes away extra sodium and any starchy liquid, which can affect the taste and texture. Rinse them under cold running water for about 30 seconds, or until the water runs completely clear. This quick step makes a big difference. Now that your beans are rinsed, let's talk about seasoning. A great starting point is to sauté some finely diced onion and minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook them until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your spices. A half teaspoon of ground cumin and a quarter teaspoon of dried oregano are perfect. Don't forget 1 bay leaf for an extra layer of flavor. These simple additions elevate your beans significantly. Once your aromatics and spices are fragrant, it's time to combine everything. Add your rinsed black beans to the pan. Pour in about a half cup of water or vegetable broth. This helps create a nice, saucy consistency and allows the flavors to infuse. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering time is essential for all those wonderful seasonings to truly meld with the beans, creating a rich and satisfying dish. Before serving, always give your beans a taste test. This is your chance to adjust the salt and pepper to your liking. If they taste a bit flat, a pinch more salt can work wonders. For a bright, fresh finish, stir in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice right at the end. Finally, for a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro over the top. These perfectly seasoned black beans are now ready to enjoy as a side or as part of your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.